In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check both your storefront and admin passwords in Shopify. Let's start with the storefront password, which is especially relevant if your store is still in password protection mode. This is often the case when your store is hidden and not yet live to the public. So, if that's where you're at, here's how to manage it. First, you need to log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, look for the menu option on the left-hand side that says Online Store. Click on that and then navigate to Preferences. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Password Protection. In this section, you'll find the password field. If there is something written in this field, that's your current storefront password. This means your store is in password protection mode, accessible only to those who know this password. However, if you find this field to be blank, it simply means no password is set. In this case, your store is public and openly viewable to everyone online. One additional tip: if you're in the theme editor and want a sneak peek at what your password page looks like, you can always preview or edit it. Just head to the Page Selector drop-down, choose Others, and then Password. This allows you an easy way to ensure everything is set up the way you want it for when you're ready to launch. Now let's move on to the admin password. First off, it's important to note that, for security reasons, you cannot actually view your Shopify admin login password in plain text. This is a built-in protection mechanism. But don't worry, if you found yourself in the unfortunate situation of forgetting it, there's an easy fix. Simply go to the Shopify login page and click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the steps, and you'll receive instructions to reset it via email. However, if you're already logged into your Shopify account and just want to change your password for security or personal reasons, that's straightforward as well. Go to your account settings, find the security section, and make the changes there. Always remember to choose a strong and unique password to keep your account secure. This means avoiding common words or easily guessable numbers like your birthday or 123456. And there you have it. Whether you're managing your storefront password or securing your admin login, these steps should guide you through. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you seamlessly navigate your Shopify settings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.